portable Nintendo Switch. The controls feel good. The thumbsticks, the D-pad, those feel really nice for a developer kit, honestly. And you've got a ton of features built into this that I think a lot of people are truly going to appreciate. So the G3x platform has a 5nm chipset. We're looking at all-day battery life and gaming performance that's really insane. Now, you can play your Android games, that's one. You can stream your PC games directly to this, so you can use any of your services, whether I saw Parsec on there, you can use Steam, whatever you want to do, you can stream it directly to it. It's got remappable controls as well on there, and honestly, and plus you've got cloud gaming support. So how did it actually feel using this? So I played a bunch of games on there. Diablo Immortal was one of the first ones I played. It played great, it played really smooth and fast. And I like the fact that the controls felt really native on there. I wasn't even sure if it was native or remapped, but I didn't have any issues with it whatsoever. Then I played some Final Fantasy, and that also played really well. I know that was remapped, and the controls felt really, really good. Honestly, as a gamer, this is going to be impressive. This is going to be a gaming powerhouse. You're going to see a lot of performance on this. Now, in terms of what it packs in, one of the things I like is that it's got Snapdragon sound, which means you're going to get lossless audio, aptX AG, all those aptX features built in it. But what does that mean for us? It means that, look, we're going to hear footsteps clearly. You're going to hear those gunshots well. You're going to hear things around in your game effectively, and you're going to play well. Plus, you can listen to music and enjoy that well on this system. Now, the menu screen that you see there, look, again, this is a developer kit build, but you can see what they're going for. A very streamlined look, being able to access everything and the games you want right there in front of you. The display supports up to 144 Hertz, so you choose to have 144 Hertz as a developer, or you're building a kit like this, it also does that. It's got, fast charging up to 120 watts. Again, that is something that would be nice for a system like this. Now, they promise all-day battery life, and in my use case with this developer kit, I played for about 2 hours. I probably lost about 10, maybe 15%. That's not just a test, it's just something I experienced, and I like that. And it was great to see that I could play for a long period of time and still have a lot of juice left on this bad boy. Now, it also supports Wi-Fi 6E, which means you've got great connectivity and you can actually access the games you want to play. So if you're using game streaming services like Xbox Game Pass, you've got just the ability to play and enjoy your games to the fullest, which is the thing that I love to see. And it also has 5G capability, so you've got 5G connectivity. You can take this with you on the go and you can play anywhere. Now, mind you, again, guys, this is a developer kit. This is not an actual unit, but what I've seen here from Qualcomm and Razer, I want this right now. I want to play games on it. So leave your thoughts, guys. What do you think about the Snapdragon G3x gaming platform? Do you want to see this portable Android, PC, Windows gaming system altogether? Because honestly, the fact that I can stream my PC games, I can play my Android games natively to the best of the ability of it, and also, I can also go on cloud gaming. To me, that's going to be truly awesome, and I can't wait to see what OEMs build, and also even what Razer releases, if they're going to actually be doing this as well. So leave your thoughts down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and always enjoy your entertainment.